In this video, we are going to learn one of the most important command, that is alter command used in SQL. Alter is used in order to add, modify and to drop the column from the table, or even to add or drop constraints from the table. So let us see how we can use it. As in my screen you can see that I am going to create a table named student, in which I have given the two fields here, roll number and S name, and I have inserted some values here. I just run this query and I have created my table and insert values in it, and I just write select star from student. As you see that, as I just see this detail and I find that there are two columns only, roll number and S name here. I just want that in this column I want to add some column name age. How can I do it? I just write alter table. This is a command. I write alter table and I give the name of the table student here. Then I will write add, and the name of the column I want to add age here, so I will write age and end here, and thus I can add an column here. You can see it from the previous command. I just running it, and you can see that my age column is being added over here. Now I don't want to use this column. So what I will do, I just write the same query. I will write alter table student and then drop age, and this column will be will appear here. I can run this query and you can see this. My table is no more existing. So you can see how we can add and drop the column from the table. Suppose now I want to rename the column. That is, I want to change the name of column. How can I do it? I just use alter table student and just I write rename column S name to F name, and this will be executed. So you can see that when I just run this command, select star from student, you get that my column name is changed from F name to S name. Now we will learn that how can we change or modify the data type. Suppose in a table student, roll number is given in int format and I want to change it to integer. How can I do it? In order to do that, I just use alter command. I write alter table and then table name is student here. Student, then I will write a word modify. Sometime in other versions you use alter also, but in this version 8.36 modify will be working. I will write modify roll number and then I will write integer, and I will close this by pressing semicolon, and I will run this, and you can see that my table will get altered. I can see the description and you will find that the type of data in my table is integer. Okay, so this is how we have changed and modified our data. Now we want to add some key. Here you can see in my roll number, in my student column, there is no type of constraint is defined. So in order to define a constraint, we can definitely use alter table command. So how can I use? I can write alter table student add primary key, and I will give the name key, that is my roll number, and it will be added as a primary key in my table. You can see this. My table is here and I can see the description of table, and I can find that my table has added within a primary key. So you can see that how we haven't added a primary key. Now we want to add foreign key in a table using alter statement. So in order to add in a foreign key, we must have one table in which there is a primary key which become a reference to the second table, and I have explained it previously in my video with data constraint, and if you have not seen it, please go through my video that how we can add a foreign key constraint in a table. So in order to make a foreign key, I just want to make a new table. So I create a table, create table course, and in course I have ID, course ID, int, and it is my primary key, and then I will have course name, and it is varchar 20 I say, and I have one more key SID, that is student ID, and it is a integer type, and I just create one table here. So we have created a table. And I want to make SID as a foreign key, for which what I have to do, I will write a command alter table course, and I will write add foreign key, and I will give the name SID references student and roll number. And we can run this query. Our table is created, our foreign key is created, and you can see the description. Now you have seen that there are two keys in my table. There is CID name primary key and SID as a multiple of foreign key. So in this video we'll learn how we can alter the table, how can we add or drop the column, rename the column, modify the data type, or how to add primary or foreign key in a table. I hope so this video is interesting for you. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.